Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given a word, compassion, and we are going to choose one letter from this word. Find the probability that it is an M. The very first thing that Mr. Tan would do is to count what is the total number of letters. Okay, so there'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10 letters in total, and out of which, for letter M, there's only one letter out of 10, and that will be the probability of finding an M from compassion. What about T? Notice that there is no T, no letter T, which means that it is going to be 0 over 10. And what is this probability? 0. Which means that it is an impossible event lah. What about O and S? Well, we just need to make sure that it's in total. How many O? 1 O, 2 O, and how many S? 1 S, 2 S. So in total, right, this will be 4 out of 10. And so the final answer, please give your answer to the simplest form. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.